welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about me getting my hair and makeup done, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. If you see me looking on the side, that means I'm looking in the mirror so I can see exactly what I'm doing. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video. So the hair I'm going to be using today is this brown hair with blonde highlights, and it's soft on lashes. I got it from AliExpress and I really love it. It's amazing. So the next thing I'm going to do after putting on my wig is to move the lace back a bit so I could put this Gorilla Gel on there on my forehead to keep my lace in place, which is exactly what we're hoping to achieve. And the next thing I'm going to do is to dry it so it gets tacky, then apply on the Got2b spray just to give it a little bit of an extra security. Now that our gel is tacky and ready to go, I'm going to put on my lace and keep it in place. Hold it down while I dry it with my hand dryer, just so it doesn't move before I cut the lace. So my camera stopped recording and I had to get my phone and continue recording with my phone. So now I'm going to be using this rubbing alcohol to clean all the excess gel on my forehead, just so we don't get our makeup and hair looking all messy. I'm going to be using this hair scarf to hold my lace down just until it dries, and while I wait for it to dry, I'm going to go on to do my makeup. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this pencil brow with the spoolie brush on the other end. So apparently I forgot to clean my face before I drew my brows, so that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm using the dryer here just because it dries my face faster. And now I'm going to be using this moisturizer, Pond's moisturizer, to moisturize my face. Y'all should know moisturizing your face is the best thing you could do for your face. And now I'm going to be using this Maybelline Poreless foundation in 338 to clean around my eyebrows, just because I feel like the Night of foundation does a better job than the concealer. Now I'm going to be using this LA Girl Pro concealer as a base on my eyelid for my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this brown shade on my eyelids just because I just want to do something neutral and nothing colorful or extra. This e.l.f. Poreless face primer is what I'm going to be using before I put on my foundation. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the same foundation I used to clean my eyebrows in the shade 365. So I woke up on this very day and realized I was breaking out on one side of my face, which doesn't make any sense because you either break out on my whole face or you don't at all. Over here, I'm using the same foundation I used for my brow bones to highlight my face. Now I'm contouring my face, which I think is my favorite part of makeup. Yeah, and I'm using this slanted brush just because I feel like a slanted brush does the job better. Now what I'm gonna do is use this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my face, and all I do is press it into my skin. And no, I don't bake. To set my contour, I'm gonna be using the Zaron Face Definer, and for all those who know me, they know this contour palette right here is my favorite contour palette, and you all should try it if you haven't. Now I'm wiping off the excess loose powder that might be sitting on my face right now, and I'm going to be using this Maybelline Super Stay powder to blend out the hash lines and to bring everything together. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to use this bronzer on my cheekbones, my forehead, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Now, since I didn't tint my lace, I'm going to be using my contour concealer to blend it out and make it look close enough to my skin. And I'm going to be using the lighter concealer to define the parting of my hair. Now, the next thing is to fix my edges. So I'm scarfing it down so they get laid and not get in my way while I straighten my hair. I'm gonna take off my scarf now and do the finishing touches to my hair and makeup. Chai, oba hu ya fe wate. Oba hu fe dua. So I'm gonna be lining my lip with this lip liner in burgundy, and this is actually my go-to lip liner if I don't want to use just gloss and I want to do a little bit more. And finally, the gloss. Now you all seen the final look, and I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. And it's bye for now. Mwah.
Swallow me, drip down inside of me, jump out for you.